Narcolepsy, being a chronic neurologic condition, often presents with debilitating daytime sleepiness. Patients who are affected with narcolepsy often complain of significant difficulties from the time they wake up until they go to sleep. The problem is, when they try to go to sleep, they often have difficulties with maintaining sleep. The condition is characterized by significant difficulties maintaining wakefulness during the day and maintaining sleep during the night. And as such, the underlying manifestations often include problems related to depression, difficulties with maintaining a job. Oftentimes it's very difficult for them to maintain vigilance, attention, follow up on tasks that require some maintenance of alertness. And certainly we find that individuals who are in a job requirement that requires them to keep attention are finding it extremely challenging. The underlying manifestation of narcolepsy is that patients often have conditions such as a cataplexy, in which they lose temporarily the ability to maintain a muscle tone when they hear something really funny or they're startled. So that often creates a situation where they also try to avoid social interactions that are often very engaging, or perhaps if they have they're in a circumstance where they hear a funny joke or they are surprised, or when they laugh. That's often a condition that often stimulates the onset of cataplexy. So they also have an avoidance of social situations to avoid the impact of cataplexy. And that is really devastating for them, because without being without the ability to interact socially and interact in a manner that they can participate and laugh and tell funny jokes, it's often that they avoid those situations. So there is also an avoidance behavior, social isolation, depression, and the underlying problem is that they also have a hard time maintaining relationships. It's really difficult for them to go on a date and start finding that they cannot really maintain a conversation because they start feeling sleepy. So it really affects the individual in multiple domains besides holding a job, certainly relationships and social interaction that is really devastating, unfortunately.